Your brain is already fading, and you can't feel it happening. By 24, most of us have peaked. Yet a neurosurgeon says you can stay razor sharp until your final heartbeat. I'm about to hand you the blueprint. Imagine lying on an operating table, wide awake, while a surgeon pokes around inside your skull. No pain, no scream, just conversation. Why? Because the brain feels nothing. It's the ultimate black box, silently recording every thought you'll ever have. In 1848, Phineas Gage learned this the hard way. An explosion shot a metal spike up through his cheek, out the top of his skull. He dusted himself off, walked to the doctor, and never winced. But the gentleman everyone loved turned rude, reckless. His personality, rewritten by a hole in the brain. Proof that the brain is not fixed, it's a living manuscript. Enter neuroplasticity, your lifelong upgrade ticket. It means new neurons can sprout, today, tomorrow, at 90. So if age isn't the enemy, what is? Myth 1, we use only 10% of our brain. Nonsense, evolution would never haul around useless gray matter. Every fold, every wrinkle is on the payroll. Myth 2, left-brained or right-brained. Both hemispheres tag-team reading, math, creativity. Myth 3, dementia is just old age. It's a disease, not a birthday candle. Myth 4, men are hardwired for math, women for empathy. Brains are as unique as fingerprints, not as genders. Myth 5, crosswords keep you sharp. They're fun, but they're mental hamster wheels. Myth 6, you're born with a set number of brain cells. Your brain expands, contracts, rebuilds daily. Myth 7, 5 senses. You also track balance, pain, temperature, time, hunger. Myth 8, master one language first. Kids juggle tongues, brains adapt, no chaos. Myth 9, old dogs can't learn. Learning slows, but it never slams the door. Myth 10, the brain is an unsolvable riddle. We've cracked more than we've missed. Now, the 5 levers to keep your brain humming. Lever 1, move. Exercise is the closest thing to a miracle drug. Inactivity doubles your risk of dementia, doubles. You need only 150 minutes a week. That's 22 minutes a day, a brisk walk, a dance. Lever 2, sleep. While you snooze, your brain becomes a dishwasher. Toxins flushed, memories cemented. Miss 6 hours, and alertness drops 30%. Lever 3, learned. Every new skill, language, recipe, is fertilizer. Bilingual brains delay dementia by 4 years. Lever 4, food. If your great-grandmother wouldn't recognize it, skip it. Sugar, the slowest brain poison. Omega-3, the brain's lubricant. Lever 5, connect. Loneliness lights up the same pain centers as a broken bone. One close friend beats 1,000 online followers. So movement, sleep, learning, food, connection. Stack these 5 and your brain stays sharper, longer. Start today because by tomorrow, you're 24 plus 1. Choose to build, not to decline. Your future brain is waiting, handshake ready.